Zombie apocalypse.
Welcome to our travel wave, where we explore the beautiful city of Sharm El Sheikh. Hello, fellow travelers. Welcome to another exciting journey. Today, we journey to Sharm El Sheikh, a stunning destination at the southern tip of Egypt's Sinai Peninsula. This breathtaking locale is renowned for its picturesque landscapes and vibrant marine life. Known for its beautiful beaches and clear blue waters, Sharm El Sheikh is a popular destination for sun-seekers and adventurers alike. The crystal-clear waters are perfect for swimming, snorkeling, and diving, offering a glimpse into the rich underwater world. Whether you long for relaxation or crave thrilling experiences, Sharm El Sheikh has something for everyone. Imagine lounging on a beach lounger with the sun warming your skin, or diving deep into the sea to explore vibrant coral reefs and exotic marine life. Sharm El Sheikh has transformed from a sleepy fishing village into a bustling tourist hub. Its history is rich and fascinating, with remnants of its humble beginnings still visible amidst modern developments. It offers a unique blend of Egyptian culture and modern amenities. Visitors can explore traditional Egyptian architecture, visit cultural sites, and enjoy the conveniences of contemporary living. The city boasts world-class resorts, restaurants serving delicious cuisine, and vibrant nightlife. From luxurious accommodations to mouth-watering dishes, Sharm El Sheikh caters to all tastes and preferences. Get ready to be charmed by the warmth of the Egyptian people and the magic of Sharm El Sheikh. The locals are known for their hospitality, and you'll find yourself welcomed with open arms. Enjoy cultural performances that bring the rich heritage of Egypt to life, and don't miss the magical sunsets that paint the sky in hues of orange and pink. Take a stroll through local markets, where you can shop for unique souvenirs, savor traditional Egyptian tea, and even embark on desert adventures. Sharm El Sheikh is not just a destination. It's an experience that will leave you with unforgettable memories. For those who love the sea, there are plenty of boat excursions that offer the chance to see dolphins and other marine life up close. Whether you're on a romantic getaway or a family vacation, Sharm El Sheikh promises an adventure of a lifetime. And if you're a fan of the mountains, the surrounding landscapes offer excellent hiking opportunities with panoramic views that will take your breath away. Whether you're on a romantic getaway or a family vacation, Sharm El Sheikh promises an adventure of a lifetime. The surrounding landscapes offer excellent hiking opportunities with breathtaking views. Relax at a mountain retreat and soak in the natural beauty that surrounds you. End your day with a night under the stars, perhaps around a campfire in the desert, enjoying traditional Bedouin music and dance. So pack your bags and get ready for an unforgettable journey. Sharm El Sheikh awaits you with open arms and endless possibilities. Like, subscribe, and let's start the adventure. Like the video, subscribe to the channel, and activate the bell button to receive all new updates. Let's start our journey. Sharm El Sheikh's natural beauty is truly captivating. Nestled on the southern tip of the Sinai Peninsula, this coastal paradise offers a unique blend of stunning landscapes and vibrant marine life. Imagine pristine beaches with soft, powdery sand that feels like silk beneath your feet. These beaches stretch for miles, inviting you to relax and soak up the sun. The Red Sea's crystal-clear waters shimmer under the Egyptian sun, creating a mesmerizing display of light and color. These waters are not only beautiful, but also home to an incredible array of marine life. Colorful coral reefs teeming with marine life line the coast. These underwater gardens are a haven for divers and snorkelers, offering a glimpse into a vibrant and diverse ecosystem. Divers and snorkelers will be in awe of the underwater world. The clear visibility and warm waters make it an ideal destination for underwater exploration. Explore the famous Ras Mohammed National Park, a protected area home to an incredible diversity of marine species. This park is a sanctuary for countless species of fish, corals, and other marine life, making it a must-visit for nature enthusiasts. Back on land, the rugged Sinai Mountains provide a dramatic backdrop. These ancient mountains are rich in history and offer numerous opportunities for hiking and exploration. The contrast of the mountains and the sea creates a truly breathtaking landscape. Whether you're looking to relax on the beach, explore underwater wonders, or hike through rugged terrain, Sharm El Sheikh has something for everyone. Sharm El Sheikh offers an array of activities for every traveler. Spend your days soaking up the sun on the beautiful beaches. Try windsurfing or kite surfing in the steady sea breeze. For the adventurous, scuba diving and snorkeling are a must. Adventure seekers can explore the underwater world through scuba diving and snorkeling. Or venture into the desert for camel rides, sandboarding, and an enchanting Bedouin dinner beneath the stars. After a day of adventure, unwind at the old market. Enjoy the lively atmosphere, shop for unique souvenirs, and immerse yourself in local culture. Travel tips: planning your Egyptian adventure. Embarking on a journey to Egypt, especially to the stunning coastal city of Sharm El Sheikh, requires some thoughtful planning to ensure a smooth and enjoyable experience. The best time to visit Sharm El Sheikh is during the spring or fall for pleasant weather. During these seasons, the temperatures are moderate, making it perfect for outdoor activities and sightseeing without the discomfort of extreme heat. Summers can be scorching, with temperatures soaring above 100 degrees Fahrenheit, while winters are mild but can be a bit chilly in the evenings. Pack light, breathable clothing, sunscreen, and a hat to protect yourself from the sun. It's also a good idea to bring a light jacket for cooler nights. When arriving in Egypt, you'll need a visa. This is a straightforward process, and you can easily obtain one on arrival at the airport. Make sure your passport is valid for at least 6 months from your date of entry. The official language is Arabic, which can be seen on most signs and heard in daily conversations. However, English is widely spoken in tourist areas, so communication shouldn't be a problem. Many locals working in the tourism industry are fluent in English and are very helpful. Don't forget to exchange your currency for Egyptian pounds, as this is the local currency used for most transactions. And remember to bargain when shopping in the markets. Haggling is a common practice in Egypt, and you can often get items at a lower price than initially quoted. Enjoy your adventure. Conclusion: Sharm El Sheikh awaits. Sharm El Sheikh is more than just a beach destination. It's a place to relax, explore, and create unforgettable memories. From its natural beauty to its endless activities and welcoming people, Sharm El Sheikh will leave you enchanted. So, what are you waiting for? Pack your bags, book your tickets, and get ready to experience the magic of Sharm El Sheikh. It's a destination that will stay with you long after you've left its sunny shores. This concludes our tour in Sharm El Sheikh. I hope you enjoy this trip and find helpful tips for your next adventure. Sharm El Sheikh is a city full of beauty, art, and history, and is definitely worth a visit. If you liked this video, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more travel content. And be sure to hit the notification bell so you don't miss any upcoming videos. This is The Traveling Wave. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.